Bulls, bears, lions, and tigers, oh my, we got an entire zoo of market animals out there. But today I'll be going over why Bitcoin is in a perpetual bull market. There is no such thing as a bear market for Bitcoin. This is from Cointelegraph, written by Helen Parts. She says, "No, Bitcoin is not in its longest ever bear market. Here's why. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are not in their longest ever bear market and are probably not even in a bear market at all, according to some industry observers. Right now, the price of Bitcoin is nowhere near the valuation of the peak in November 21. It's down more than 50% and in a bear market of 490 days, the trader wrote. Thing is, the terms bull and bear market are entirely subjective. Think about what he's saying there right now. Let's say you bought $420,000 worth of Bitcoin at $69,000, right at the top. And that was the only time that you ever bought. And you watched it go all the way down to where it's at now, around $25,000, $26,000. But now if you're the other person that bought when it was at 15 or 16 back last year, and it's gone only up since there, you would say that it was in a bull market. So it's entirely based on perception. It's all based on your point of view. And if you bought way back in the day, back when you could buy a million sats for pennies, then it's been in nothing but a bull market. Quantum economics, that's okay. Founder Matty Greenspan told Cointelegraph, "It can mean either the price has moved in the past or that the price is expected to move in a certain direction in the future," Greenspan said, adding, "The ambiguity creates endless opportunities for analysts to make pointless arguments in perpetuity." Oh, it's going to be a sunny day tomorrow. That means it's going to be a great day tomorrow. Sunny days are great days. Oh, a week later, it's going to be a rainy day tomorrow. And that means it's going to be a bad day. Rainy days are depressing days. Really? They are? No, rain is just rain. Weather is just weather. Sun is just the sun. It is what you make of it. If this is a bull market for you, then hey, call it a bull market. If it's a bear market for you, hey, call it a bear market. If you want to call it a monkey market, that's what I'm going to call it. I'm the hodl sapien. I'm going to call it a monkey market. It's in a monkey market. It doesn't care. Ooh, 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 ooh. It doesn't give two craps about what it's doing. It's going to eat a banana and keep on chugging along down the road. As previously mentioned by Cointelegraph, Bitcoin saw its price stay below its previous highs for a period of 37 months, or about 1,125 days, between November 2013 and January 2017. After reaching 20,000 for the first time in December 2017, Bitcoin again lagged behind the price level until December 2020 for about 1,095 days. But does that mean that Bitcoin was in a bear market during this period at all? Looking at the charts, one could say that Bitcoin was actually on the trajectory of hitting its all-time peak of $68,000. Look at this chart. That's a lot of green in there. Boy, that is a lot of green in there. It's almost like a forest of green. But you know what I could do to that? I could take it into MS Paint and I could draw a red line over it. And then it'd be red. And then it would be the color of Taylor Swift lipstick. And then it would be a sad color because people don't like red. People like green. People want to go fast. Green's fast. And red, wait, I thought red was fast. If you're an orc, I thought red was fast. What does it even mean? It's colors. And this color right here, this is the most common color that you will see in all charts across the world, no matter what the chart is. What does that mean? I don't know. Should we look into it? What is the interpretation? I have no idea what it means. But what I do know is that if you schedule a free 30-minute consultation call with the Bitcoin Way, they will answer whatever questions you have about Bitcoin. Reach out to them, get that free 30-minute consultation call scheduled, and get whatever questions you have answered. According to another interpretation, Bitcoin may not currently be in a bear market at all. Some classic definitions suggest that a bear market happens when a market index or asset declines by 20% or more from its recent high. What's recent? What is recent, a week? Is it a year? Depends on who you're asking. Recent for an 80-year-old is maybe 10 years ago, but recent for a 5-year-old is 5 minutes ago. According to data from CoinGecko, Bitcoin's most recent high occurred in mid-July 2023 at around $31,400. At current prices, Bitcoin is around 13% shy of that level. Moreover, the cryptocurrency has climbed 34% over the past year. If you zoom out enough, Bitcoin is just one big green candle and has been in a continuous bull market since 2009. I guess those that focus on short time frames might be experiencing a bear market, Jan 3 CEO Samson Mow told Cointelegraph. The Bitcoin advocate also hinted that he sees the current market situation as very bullish. amid contributing factors like high inflation, loss of purchasing power, spiraling debt, and adoption by nation-states like El Salvador. Mao has his own definition of a bear market, and this might be my favorite one yet. It might be my favorite thing that I've heard about bears and bulls and monkeys and gorillas and lions, whatever. The animal zoo market as a whole, right here. A bear market is what high time preference crypto investors experience periodically. If you eat at Taco Bell, there's an experience that you too might have periodically. Does that mean that that's just what is? Does that mean that's how it is? No, that is you playing a stupid game and winning a stupid prize. If you don't want that periodic experience from Taco Bell, then don't go to Taco Bell. Quantum Economics Greenspan supported Mao's remarks, arguing that Bitcoin has never actually been in a bear market. Taking the longest time frame for both past occurrence and future expectations, we can, however, determine that Bitcoin has always and always will be in a bull market, he stated. And that is my closing thought as well, that when the entirety of the world is being repriced into Bitcoin terms, then there is no market, there is no bull, there's no anything. Nothing like this has ever happened before. There has never been a money that the entirety of the world could use and will be using in the not so distant future, and everything from toothpicks to toothpaste to socks to airplanes to fuel to cruise ships to water to land, everything, all of it will be repriced against the number one saleable best good to ever exist, the best money to ever exist, Bitcoin. So that's not a market, that's just a law of nature. And if you want to learn where I got my unique education, check out this video and learn why investing some time into Bitcoin, learning about Bitcoin, is way better than going to even Harvard.